In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add opening balance in Zoho Books. Before we begin, a quick note on what an opening balance is and why it matters. Your opening balance represents the financial position of your business on the day you start using Zoho Books. Things like how much cash is in your bank, outstanding customer invoices, bills you owe, and the balances of key accounts. It's best to have your previous system's closing trial balance or a clean list of account balances as of your chosen start date, so everything lines up from day one. Start by signing in to Zoho Books and heading to the dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct organization and that you know the exact date you want to use as your opening date, typically the first day of your financial year or the day you move from an old system. Having that date set in your mind helps keep your reports accurate. From the dashboard, look to the top right and click the Settings icon. This takes you to the Settings area where all your configuration lives. Here, find and select Opening Balances. This page is designed to help you set up the starting figures for your chart of accounts. You now have two ways to proceed. If you prefer to enter figures one by one, use the manual option. You'll see fields for accounts such as bank accounts, accounts receivable, accounts payable, and other ledgers you use. Enter each balance carefully, using positive amounts for assets and negative amounts where appropriate for liabilities if the form expects it. If you're unsure, refer to your trial balance so debits and credits align. Double-check the opening date shown and keep an eye on any difference indicator on the page. Your totals should balance before you move forward. When you're confident everything is correct, click Continue to Save. If you already have a prepared trial balance or a list of balances in a file, use the Import option at the top of the page. This is ideal when you're migrating from another system. Download the sample template if it's available. Match your account names and codes to those in Zoho Books, and ensure the totals for debits and credits are equal in your file. Common formats like CSV or spreadsheet files work well. During import, you'll be guided to review the data and match columns so everything lands in the right accounts. If something doesn't match or a row is missing information, fix the file and try again until it validates cleanly. Once saved or imported, your opening balances become the foundation of accurate reporting. Take a moment to review the figures on the summary screen, and you're ready to continue bookkeeping with confidence in Zoho Books.